How does RAM store information? RAM is constructed of microscopic strands etched into the silicon of the memory chip. You can think of these electrical strands as pipes, like plumbing through which electricity flows. Some pipes represent addresses, while others carry data. Now let's say we want to store the letter A in RAM. First, the PC opens a section of memory by sending a burst of electricity across the address pipe. This electric burst closes a group of miniature switches known as transistors, but only the ones needed for the data along that address line. Next, the actual information is sent as electric bursts across the address lines. Each burst is called a bit, and there are 8 bursts traveling on 8 lines, in this case to represent the letter A. In the computer's code, the letter A looks like this. Each burst travels through a closed switch and charges a capacitor. The turned-on capacitors represent the ones. The uncharged capacitors are considered zeros. Because all capacitors lose their charge over time, bursts of electricity continuously flow to refresh them.